Good morning, welcome to Task 2 of the Bright Open 2015.
What the secret to success?
Success, I don't know about that.
Try not to end up in the bomb out is my plan today.
Get high, follow someone fast.
Bar. A lot of bar.
Go fast, fly far. Stay high, fly far. This thing.
Just enjoy the flying.
Land in the LZ. Out front and low is not winning.
Get high, fly fast.
And make sure I know whose wings I'm following.
No, there is no secret because I have no success.
Get out there and have a good go at it.
And win. Get top in one thermal and try and get to the next one.
Have fun.
Have fun.
We've got blue skies, most probably a blue sky day for most of the day. The forecast is from northwest through to northeast, southeast, about 15 to 20. An interesting day, and we'll see what happens.
Today we're going to head out along Buffalo, probably along the Hot Rocks. Back at Myrtleford we're going to turn into the small foothills and head along those small foothills just south of the CTAF areas of Benalla and Wangaratta, land near Lake Nillakooti.
The distance is 92 kilometres.
Hopefully base will open up and we'll have a good day. Light winds at the moment, feels good.
20 minutes to start, and we get good climb to the 2000 and looks is good day. Let's go for it. 4 minutes to start. The start is open. We get 2100 in the Buffalo and heading to the Metaphor. We just passed the first point and heading to Benalla for second point. We have a Gareth and another guy, Shredder, Ivan and Jeff. It's just a group is there in the Metaphor. We leave the line and we go to the 22. We have a 50 and right there shoot the next point. Hopefully we can make it easy. That's the problem is what you're having in the race. Here is big race. 9.0 graduation to goal. Last point and after the goal. I can see 2-3 pilots there. But we will see 3 kilometers to goal. I landed. Was good. Was good try. But doesn't make it.